First, we have the pre-sale. Here you can check it out. The pre-sale start in 31 days, 1 hour, 20 minutes, and some seconds. Here you can check it out. The details about token. Here you can check it out. The details. Now back to the website. First, we have some information about Flux Fusion. Welcome to Flux Fusion, a revolutionary cryptocurrency project on the Binance Smart Chain, purpose-built to bridge the gap between traditional fiat economies and the decentralized power of blockchain. Flux Fusion delivers a secure, scalable, and community-first token model with a broad mission to power a next-generation e-commerce ecosystem where fiat currencies convert seamlessly to crypto, unlocking unprecedented opportunities to global trade, participation, and financial freedom. Next, we have the tokenomic details. You can check it out. The token name, Flux Fusion, ticker symbol, Flux, network, Binance Smart Chain, max and total supply, their contact address. You must copy their contact address, paste it on your wallet, and buy these tokens. Transaction fee breakdown. Burn fee 3%, tokens permanently removed from supply. Reward fee 3%, distributed in BNB to holders. Marketing fee 2%. Support growth and outreach. Liquidity fees 2%. Auto added to liquidity pool. Next, we have the project vision. Flux Fusion is more than a token. It's a movement. In a world where e-commerce is booming yet fragmented by currency barriers, Flux Fusion aims to create a unified ecosystem. Our vision is to empower users worldwide by enabling frictionless conversion of fiat currencies into Flux Fusion tokens, which can then be used to purchase goods and services across a growing network of online merchants. This fusion of fiat and which can then be used to purchase goods and services across a growing network of online merchants. This fusion of fiat and crypto will democratize access to blockchain technology, fostering financial inclusion and innovation. Air 1 launch and community building. Q3 2025 official token launch on BSC with audited smart contract deployment. Q4 2025 build a global community through marketing, AMAs, and social media engagement like Telegram and Twitter. Air 2 e-commerce ecosystem development. Q2 2026 launch a beta version of the Flux Fusion e-commerce platform. Q3 2026 scale the platform with enhanced feature. Q4 2026 onboard initial merchants and expand currency support. Air 3 Q2 2027 from alliances with the real estate sector to enable crypto fiat property transactions. Q3 2027 develop partnership to support token adoption in real-world assets. Q4 2027 expand token use cases beyond e-commerce. Air 4 financial service expansion. Q2 2028 launch of Flux Fusion backed online banking system. Q3 2028 enable user to convert between fiat and crypto seamlessly. Q4 2028 provide lending and borrowing service. This is an amazing platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Here you can check it out, the white paper. I'm showing you their white paper. Welcome to Flux Fusion, a revolutionary cryptocurrency project on the Binance Smart Chain, purpose-built to bridge the gap between traditional fiat economies and the decentralized power of blockchain. As I already told you about this, you can also check it out their whole white paper. This is an outstanding platform. Like this, you can check it out, their contract audit, KYC audit, community, and you can also contact them right there. So if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Flux Fusion with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. Next, I'm showing you their KYC certificate. Here you can check it out, their KYC certification by Cyberscope. This is certified by Cyberscope. Here you can check it out. This is an outstanding platform. So if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Flux Fusion with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. It's positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.